Whoops. Hi, I'm Lance Yolanoff, U.S. Editor-in-Chief for TechRadar, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it has a broken screen. How did this happen to this beautiful, pristine, essentially brand new device? Let me tell you. It started when I was playing with it on the train, and I'm doing what I usually do, checking out angry tweets. And then I notice that my finger is catching on a little ridge on the screen. I'm like, what is that all about? That's strange, it's just a little, and I tried to scratch it away. I couldn't scratch it away because it's a crack that runs from here to essentially here. That line that you're seeing right there, that's the crack. So now let me explain what happened. I was carrying the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in this case. I was holding it in the kitchen in my house, and from 3 feet off the ground, and that's not up here, that's halfway down, fumbled, dropped it, hit the ground, picked it up, everything looked fine, I moved on. It wasn't until a few days later when my finger was on that screen that I noticed something different. By the way, when I dropped the phone in the kitchen, my wife heard it from the other room and said, "What was that?" I said, "My phone." She goes, "Is it broken?" I said, "No." She goes, "Why is it that when I drop my phone, it shatters and yours never does?" Well, now I guess the joke's on me. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a device, an Android 12 device that I really love. It's 6.8 inches, it's got that beautiful bright screen, it's got Gorilla Glass, Victus Plus glass on the front and the back. This should be strong. And remember, I've been carrying it around in a case. Now, I'm not saying there's something fundamentally wrong with this device. I think that I just managed to drop it and it hit the ground right at the precise spot where there's just enough tension between the aluminum chassis and the screen to create that crack. And the crazy thing is, it's not a shatter. This screen is not shattered. It's just perfectly cracked. It does not seem to be getting worse, certainly never going to get better, but it's just a really bad coincidence that that short drop created this crack. So you'll notice that there's really nothing wrong with the device. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is still working perfectly well. Front, back looks great. You would almost never know. It is so hard to detect. I mean, I think that's why I missed the crack for a number of days. But if you were to come here and rub your finger across it, you would actually feel it. And the other thing to keep in mind is, now that the screen is cracked, even though this is an IP68 rated device, I'm not going to drop it in water anymore because it's not perfectly sealed. I mean, that is a place where potentially water could get in. So it's just unfortunate that it happened. And my recommendation to you is put a case on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and hold on to it tight. So you've probably read my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, in which I talk about what an excellent phone it is, and also it's got some incredible cameras on it. The space zoom is just nuts. I really still love this device. But you might be asking yourself, well, wait a minute, why didn't you perform a drop test? In reality, these gadgets, which are loaned to us by companies, I don't drop them because I'm not trying to break them, because guess what? This has to go back to Samsung. By the way, they're not going to be too happy when they see it's cracked. I still insist it's not my fault. You drop something from 3 feet above the ground, it should not break. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.